Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on this video, and in this video we're going to talk about why the CORS error occurs, and we will talk about the uh, possible reasons of this error. So mostly we have this issue, and we think that could be because of the origin isn't sent from the API side, and perhaps the region isn't well set on the or allowed on the server side. But there are some other possibilities that can be the reason of this error. Excuse me. So first of all, the protocol error. So this is the main and common error. uh, so if you are using HTTP, and if you're using HTTP and the API side is HTTPS, then uh, you will, and there is a strict type for the APIs that only HTTPS APIs are allowed. So this could be the reason. I mean, you just need to make sure that the front end and the back end has the same protocol. I mean, if the front end is using HTTP, then uh, the backend should be using HTTP. Um, if the front end is using HTTPS, then the backend can be HTTP or can be HTTPS. It doesn't matter in this case if the front end is in HTTPS, but you must set HTTPS for front end if the backend is in HTTPS. Meaning, if the API endpoint URL is on HTTPS, then this could be the reason for this error. And next, the most common, origin not allowed. For allowing the origin, you need to check that if you are using a JavaScript framework, Node framework, Express.js, then you must need to use that CORS package to set this to include that middleware, and this will allow all the origins for that. You can also specify the origins here, and you just need to set these options and need to provide in the middleware of each route, and everything will be good to go. Okay, just go to this URL course for allowing the origins from the backend side. The next things could be the reasons, and we mostly forget these reasons. First one is the server down, and you just need to, if you are facing the course error, you just need to check it from the Postman. Just download the Postman software, and I'll add the download link in the description. You can download it from there. I can also I'll also include the URL of this course middleware in the description of this video. Okay, and you just need to open the Postman, and need to check the API from the Postman. If the API is working in the Postman, then you are good to go, because there is no issue in the Postman side. If uh, because Postman just disallow this course errors automatically. You don't need to set it up on the front end and the back end. Postman can do everything on their own. Okay. So the this is the server down issue. Need to check it from the Postman every time you want to hit that API, or you face any CORS error. And another thing is that the fatal error on the backend. You need to check if you are using the node server on your local machine. You need to check the you need to console log the errors, and or you can just use the try catch for capturing the error on the backend side, because this could be the reason of this course error. Because sometimes we face a fatal error. We have a fatal error on the backend, and we try to hit the API from the front end, and it throw the course error. And this could be the reason that there is a fatal error on the backend. So you need to make sure of that. Okay, the most easiest thing to check this error is to hit the API from the postman. If you get the 500 response, that means there is some error in the fatal error in the server side, and you need to inform the backend developer, and then he will fix it, or you need to uh, contact to the support of that API if you are using third-party APIs. So these are the common reasons of course error. I hope this video help is- was will be very helpful for you to understand this issue. So please subscribe to my channel, and let's